In the beginning, there was nothing familiar. No blue oceans, no land, no life. Just a silent universe, vast, cold, and waiting. But 4.6 billion years ago, a chain of events unfolded. So violent, so improbable, that it would one day lead to us. Today, on the Atom Scoop, we travel back to witness the birth of Earth, our planet's explosive creation story. Our story begins inside a collapsing cloud of hydrogen, helium, and cosmic dust. The leftovers of earlier stars that lived and died long before our sun existed. Something, maybe a shockwave from a supernova, triggered the collapse. Gravity took control. The nebula spun faster and faster, and at its center, pressure and temperature rose to unimaginable extremes. The sun was born, a newborn star burning with fresh nuclear fire. Around it, the leftover debris formed a swirling disk, a cosmic construction zone, full of rock and metal, colliding again and again. In this violent disk, grains clung together. Pebbles became boulders. Boulders became mountains. This process, accretion, is the force that builds worlds. But it wasn't gentle. The early solar system was full of destruction. Every newly formed object tried to consume the others and survive. Among these growing bodies was an infant world, a harsh, molten sphere that would someday be Earth. The early Earth was nothing like the world we know. Its surface was a sea of liquid rock. Temperatures soared above 2,000 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere was thick with poisonous gases, methane, ammonia, sulfur. Life was impossible. Even survival as a planet was uncertain, because a catastrophe was about to strike. A wandering protoplanet, known today as Theia, found itself on a collision course with Earth. Moving at 16 kilometers per second, it slammed into our young world with unimaginable force. The biggest crash in the history of our planet. The impact melted entire continents, blasted trillions of tons of rock into space, and reshaped the Earth forever. From the debris of that collision, something beautiful emerged. The scattered remains of Earth and Theia merged, forming a new companion, the Moon. After the great impact, Earth began to cool. The atmosphere filled with water vapor from volcanic eruptions and icy comets that crashed into Earth. And then, it rained. Not for days, not for years, but for millions of years. The oceans were born, covering 70% of Earth's surface. This was more than water. It was the chemical soup that would later give rise to life. The moon, formed from cosmic violence, became Earth's stabilizing force. Its gravity slowed the planet's wild rotation and created predictable tides. Without the moon, Earth might have spun chaotically, its seasons unstable, its climate unpredictable. The moon didn't just accompany Earth, it helped protect it. Meanwhile, deep inside the planet, iron moved to the center, forming a solid core. This core generated a magnetic field, a shield that protects us from deadly solar radiation even today. Earth was finally ready, not for humans, but for life's first spark. With oceans, a stable climate, and a protective magnetic shield, Earth became something rare in the universe, a habitable world. Simple organic molecules formed, gathered, and combined. They learned to copy themselves, store information, and evolve. These first building blocks of life may seem simple, but they were the beginning of everything that would follow. Plants, animals, dinosaurs, humans. Our planet was not made peacefully. It was forged in fire, sculpted by destruction, and born from cosmic chaos. And yet, out of that chaos came the only world we know that holds life. The Earth is not just a planet. It is a miracle of chance, and our only home.